Hello everyone, welcome back again to this new video. In this video, we will try to solve a numerical based on limiting reagent or limiting reactant. Let us know at first about what is limiting reagent or limiting reactant. Students, limiting reagent or limiting reactant means which gets consumed in the reaction completely, that is considered as the limiting reagent. So it means after the completion of the reaction, the reagent which gets totally consumed up and finishes off, that is considered as the limiting reagent or limiting reactant, and which you left behind, that is considered as excess reagent. Let's read out the question at first. What is asked here? 1 gram of Mg is burned in a closed vessel which contains 0.5 gram of O2. Which is the limiting reagent? What is the amount of MgO formed in the reaction? So in the question it is said about burning of magnesium with oxygen, which gives basically MgO as we know. So what we need to do first, at first we have to write down the skeletal equation. As you can see, I have already written the balanced equation here, but at first we need to write the skeletal equation. The skeletal equation is Mg plus O2 gives us MgO. After that you need to balance it. So after balancing you can write 2Mg plus O2 gives us 2MgO. Now what we need to do? We need to take out the mass of each component. So mass of magnesium according to the equation will be 48 gram. What about O2 will be 32 gram, and about MgO will be 80 gram. Now what we have to do, we have to consider any one of these two to check the limiting reagent. How to do, you see, you can write in this manner: 48 gram Mg reacts with 32 gram of oxygen. Now you see in the question what is given: 1 gram of Mg reacts with 0.5 gram of O2. So you can do one thing, you can either take magnesium or you can either take O2, any one you can take. I have taken here about magnesium. So 1 gram of Mg according to this equation, 1 gram of Mg according to this equation reacts with 0.67 gram of O2, 0.67 gram of O2. Now you see in the question they have said 1 gram of Mg reacts with 0.5 gram of O2, but according to the equation 1 gram of Mg requires 0.67 gram of O2. So you need to consider this mass. 1 gram Mg requires 0.67, and in the question how much is given? 0.5, but you require 0.67 gram according to the equation. It means the amount of oxygen which is given in the question is 0.5, which will definitely get finished up or limit its quantity, because we need 0.67 gram, but they have given us 0.5 gram. So which is the limiting reagent here? O2 is the limiting reagent. We can say O2 is the limiting reagent. Now the next part of the question is what is the amount of MgO formed in the reaction. So the amount of MgO will definitely depend upon the limiting reagent, because the limiting reagent will get completely consumed in the reaction. So by considering the limiting reagent, we have to find out the MgO formed in the reaction. So we can do it this way. Since our limiting reagent is oxygen, we will consider the mass of O2, 32 gram. 32 gram of oxygen form MgO as 80 gram. So 1 gram O2 forms MgO 80 by 32. So the mass of the limiting reagent given in the question is what? 0.5 gram. 0.5 gram oxygen will give us 1.25 gram of MgO. So this is the way we can solve a numerical based on the limiting reagent. If you find any problem, please ask me in the WhatsApp number, or please write in the comment box regarding any doubt if you have got. I hope this part is clear to you. Please go through the video. If you find any problem, please ask me. Thank you very much for